our most honored guest, our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Tomas N. Toralba, our Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Jesse D. Apostol, equally active leaders, beloved teachers, loving parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today is a very remarkable day, our graduation day, the day we've been longing for, is now in our midst, and it is a distinct honor and rare privilege to welcome one and all to our 2010 graduation rites and moving on ceremonies. Your presence today is of great significance to us, for it signifies your endless love and deep concern for our welfare. For without you, this occasion would be meaningless. We, the members of the graduating class of Virgen Milagrosa Elementary School, school year 2009-2010, are extremely in our happiest moment, witnessing a caravan of responsible parents, sharing their very precious time in honoring this significant occasion. This is manifestation of your deep love, guidance, and care for your children's moral, spiritual, and educational welfare. Our dear parents, you made us great at this very moment in our lives. Because of your deep concern, we will strive hard to prove to you that your sacrifices are not in vain. You are God-given inspiration to hit the hallmark of success. And for this very reason, we owe you a lot. Again, at this very moment, I reiterate, you're all welcome to this occasion as we celebrate our victory in the first piece of our educational ladder. May your short stay with us be pleasant and meaningful. Finally, welcome everyone. Welcome one and all, and God bless you. I thank you.